Unlocking the secrets of dependent clauses. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're going to explore an essential part of English grammar, the dependent clauses. These little phrases are the backbone of complex, interesting sentences, and knowing how to use them can dramatically improve your English skills. Let's start by understanding what a dependent clause is. Simply put, a dependent clause is a group of words that includes a subject and a verb but cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. It is dependent on a main clause to make sense. For example, in the sentence, although it was raining, we went for a walk, although it was raining, is a dependent clause. Now that we've identified what a dependent clause is, let's delve into the different functions that dependent clauses can serve in a sentence. There are three main functions: adverbial, adjectival, and noun clauses. Adverbial clauses. An adverbial clause functions like an adverb, modifying verbs, adjectives, or adverbs in the main clause. They can tell when, where, why, how, to what extent, or under what condition the action in the main clause happened. For example, since he was tired, he went to bed early. Here, since he was tired, is an adverbial clause, modifying the verb went. Adjectival clauses. An adjectival clause functions as an adjective, modifying a noun or pronoun. They answer questions like which one, what kind, or how many. For example, the book that you recommended is out of stock. Here, that you recommended is an adjectival clause, modifying the noun book. Noun clauses. Lastly, noun clauses act as nouns in a sentence. They can function as a subject, an object, or a complement. For example, what you said surprised me. Here, what you said is a noun clause, acting as the subject of the sentence. In a complex sentence, a dependent clause can be either at the beginning or the end of the sentence. It's connected to the main clause using a subordinating conjunction like because, although, since, etc., or a relative pronoun like who, which, that. For example, because I was late, I missed the bus. Dependent clause at the beginning. I missed the bus because I was late. Dependent clause at the end. In both sentences, because I was late is a dependent clause. So, that wraps up our lesson on dependent clauses. Understanding and using them effectively can greatly enhance your language skills, giving you the power to express more complex ideas and relations. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be constructing sentences like a pro. Until next time, happy learning!